This is Force 13's Australian Oceania channel with another look at what's making the local weather scene. Huon Meteorology down there in New South Wales for Thursday and Friday. Surf and swell conditions expected to be hazardous for coastal activities, and hazardous surf warning for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. That's for Friday. The gale warning remains in place. Also the state of New South Wales, Eden coast, strong wind warning for the Macquarie, Illawarra, Batemans coast, and the Bureau has cancelled the one for the Sydney and Hunter coast. Bureau Meteorology Tasmania has in place a flood watch. Minor flooding possible in the Huon catchment from today or later today. Rapid snowmelt may add to the runoff. The catchment is wet. River levels are high for rainfall over the last few days. In the 24 hours to 9 a.m. today, rainfall totals of 5 to 45 millimetres has been observed. Snow has also accumulated in the elevated areas over the last couple of days. A gale warning is in place for the east of the Flinders Island, lower east coast, southeast coast. Strong wind warning for the Storm Bay, Channel, far northwest coast, central north coast, the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, upper east, southwest, central west coast, and the Bureau has a small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes, southwest lakes. And whilst the severe weather threat has decreased, or I should say activity, here's the latest Bureau Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall. The information's right hand side of the screen. And it looks like Australia is going to be in for another cold winter, which I personally don't mind. And those operators of the snowfields are looking forward to the opening of the snow season. Here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain, and it's the light green through to dark green and a little bit of dark blue and purple up there to the east of Papua New Guinea. Again, it's the west coast of Tasmania, and also down there on the west coast of New Zealand for today. Apparently the rainfall is going to be an issue. However, the latest instability from 1300 hours across the next 24 hours. Storm probability. And it looks like the main activity is going to be to the north of Australia, Cape York Peninsula, possibly to the north of Gove, Northern Territory. The Himalaya 8 satellite view of the Australia's western region. And we've also had some deep low pressure systems to the south of Australia across this week. Wind probability, and we're looking at the 850 millibar level. Information's at the bottom of the screen. and it winds in knots. Himawari 8 satellite view of Australia's southwestern Pacific region, and bit of convection to the east of Hobart. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the Fiji Meteorological Services current service chart.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.